Welcome to a Lumber to Love how-to video. This video will show you how to assemble the Breadboard X table. Step 1. Locate the hardware bag attached to one of the bases. In that bag you will find 4 1.5-inch insert screws, 4 2-inch insert screws, 8 washers, and the insert screw bit. Step 2. Assemble the base. The easiest way to assemble your table is to start with the table on the floor with the bottom facing up. You should see 4 inserts in each corner of the table where the bases will fasten to the table. Start by placing one of the bases onto the table as shown, making sure to line up the correct number on the base with the number on the table. Line up the base with the inserts in the table. Take one of the 2-inch insert screws and washer and thread through the base into the inserts on the table, starting just with your fingers to avoid stripping the screws or inserts. Now, take your insert screw bit and put it in a screwdriver or drill. Finish screwing into the inserts, ensuring not to over-tighten. Repeat this step on both sides of the base. Next, take the other base and place it on the table with the smaller holes and number facing up, as shown. Grab your center beam and insert one side into the base already attached to the table. Ensure the number on the base matches the number on the end of the center beam. While holding the center beam up, walk over and insert the other side into the unattached base as shown. Take your remaining 2-inch insert screws and 2 washers and thread them through the base into the table. Now take 2 of the 1.5-inch insert screws and 2 washers and thread them through the base into the center beam. Repeat this step on both bases. Take your 2 center beam end caps and place them into the holes on the base. Now your table is ready to be flipped over. Grab a family member or friend and flip the table onto the base, and you're ready to go. To clean your new table, use a wood-safe spray and wipe down with a microfiber cloth. For more information on cleaning and maintaining your table, visit our website at www.lumbertolove.com or follow the link in the caption below. Thank you for purchasing one of our tables. We hope you and your family enjoy it for years to come.